Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to show categories on shop page. Let's get started. So you can see right here that I have in here my shop page, and the current display is the products that I have. So if I want to show my categories, I need to click on this customize option that I can see right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the customization of this specific page or your shop page instead. So as you see, I am customizing this site that I have. Now, what you can do in this case is to just try to scroll down. Click on this WooCommerce right here. And as you can see, we have products. So click on this product catalog. And then in here, show this shop page display. As of right now, it shows the products. So click on the show categories. And then as you can see, this will gray out because it's still loading. But once it's done loading, as you can see, we have now in here the options for our categories. Now what you can do instead is you can head over and click on this save changes, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.